New details tonight to a story 10 Investigates have been following for years. Drugs are things that often put people in jail. But in 2024, a Franklin County inmate died from a drug overdose while in custody. And tonight, a man was finally sentenced in her death.
Well, today, 10 Investigates' Rochelle Aline was there as the man convicted of handing out that fatal dose of fentanyl was sentenced.
It's a case that the judge described as a tragedy for both the defendant and the victim's family.
In a Franklin County court on Monday, a family made an emotional plea for justice.
Prison was not supposed to be a death sentence.
I wish I could take all this back and put myself in his shoes.
Courtney Rhodes was originally born Courtney Rhodes III, but had since transitioned. Her family says she'd been struggling with substance abuse. Records show Rhodes had been booked into the James A. Carnes Correction Center in November of 2024 in connection to that drug use. And 2 weeks later, she was found dead of a fentanyl overdose while in jail.
I don't think you had any intention for this young man to die.
Mahat Salat is the man convicted for that death. Monday, he was sentenced to a minimum of 16 years in prison in connection to this case and 2 other cases he had pending. Salat had this to say before learning his fate.
I just want to say I'm sorry. No matter what I get, how much time I do behind this, I'm going to always feel sorry and I'm going to always have love for him because that was my friend.
10 Investigates spoke to the Rhodes family after court.
What's your reaction to that apology?
We can accept that. At the same time, we still can't, replace my nephew.
They say they wanted to see a harsher sentence.
Maybe 20 years.
And added that they want stricter policies at Franklin County jails to keep this from happening to someone else.
We still need to get new policies, and everybody need to be scanned in, vendors, employees, background checks, you name it.
And the victim's family is considering filing a civil lawsuit in connection to this case. In Columbus, Rochelle Aline, 10 TV News.